Homeowners, did you know clogged dryer vents and dirty air ducts are a major fire risk? Dust, lint, and debris build up fast, making your system work harder and polluting the air you breathe. But there's an easy fix. For a limited time, Fresh Air Duct Cleaning is offering a complete air duct and dryer vent cleaning for just $149. That's 2 essential services, 1 low price. Protect your home, improve your air quality, and save money on energy bills. Call Fresh Air Duct Cleaning now to book your $149 cleaning before this deal ends.